Okay, hello. Now, what you see on the table here is this very old off-brand 32-inch TV. Actually, if you don't know what brand it is, here it is. But I have a very silly idea about what I'm gonna do. What is sitting right there is a streaming device for a living room. And this is the living room TV. Yeah, we replaced the TV in our living room, so that's why it's sitting there. But I decided to take this off-brand TV to see what it would do. So, and then afterwards, I'm gonna do the TV setup. And then afterwards, I'm gonna do it with this more well-known TV down here. This is a Vizio. We're gonna see what it actually does. So first off, I gotta find a brand of the TV. This is gonna take a bit. Okay, no, it's not. It's not Samsung. I wish, like that giant thing now, but okay. I use just my TV. You now turn your TV off and on, considering this thing is facing the TV itself. Okay, next.
Turning your TV off. This may take a minute. Please wait.
Okay, so the TV turned off, and then you can kind of tell because the screen went out. And then also,
TV turned off. Press fast
you see the red light on the
remote.
And then press the fast forward button.
TV is turning your TV back on. This
Okay.
may take a minute.
Let's see if it turns on the TV. See if it turns on. Yeah, it is. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Your device can now power the TV. Okay. Next. Yeah, also, because of that alone, it can control the volume now. Okay, yes. Okay, muting the music and bring it back. Did it be yes? Done. Now you can control your TV. Okay. Continue. Okay. So now it can actually work with that. Now I'm gonna swap the TV with the Vizio, and we're gonna see what happens. And it'll be a little bit quicker, I believe, for the Vizio, because Vizio is more well known by this Amazon box. So I'll swap the TV and then I'll be right. Okay, now I hooked up the Vizio, and let me tell you, huge weight difference. This TV weighs like almost nothing, and that one over there weighs a ton. That was like really heavy. But anyway, we have the exact same placement of the Fire TV device. Hopefully it works, because this I/O sensor was all the way down in that corner there, so I have to see. But let's go through this entire setup procedure again. So, equipment control, edge equipment, TV. As you can see, it's currently on the wrong brand. Let's change that and see if it does anything. Now, this TV is a little bit more well-known, so it should be a little bit different. Okay, so let's see. Is that Vizio? I use just my TV. TV off and on.
Turning your TV off. This may take a minute. Please wait.
Let's see if it... Okay, so the TV went out, so we are good.
Turning your TV back on. This may take a minute. Please wait.
Okay, now it's actually turning the TV directly back on, since this is a more well-known brand. So... Okay. I don't know if it's coming out this minute, but, like, this TV, you have to wait, like, a few seconds first. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So now it's back on. Yeah, don't yell at me about the input name, because it says PS4, and this actually was one of my bedroom TVs, but I'm moving my gaming room downstairs. Okay, right now there's nothing happening for the remote. Okay, so mute music and bring it back. See, it's trying to find the right. Okay. The music mute, come back. Yeah, I did. However, we have a silly problem. You have to like let it across this TV for it to work. But that's normal because this TV has like the wheels IO sensor to where it doesn't like to work from certain positions. So yeah. That's what happens if you connect it to more well-known brand of TV. It can do the whole process automatically. And also because this TV supports CEC, so this could actually... It doesn't even need to be nearly IO sensor. All it has to do is just be right here. And it should work. So, yeah. Anyway, I'll see you later, so bye. Oh, yeah, and by the way, so that way you don't yell, I'll turn the TV off. Okay, bye. Okay, now for a little bonus clip. I hooked up the 13-inch non-HD flat panel that uses those inputs. Let's see how that does. If I could even see it. Okay. Okay, that's not what brand it is. It's gonna take me a minute to find this. Because I really have to be so close to the screen in order to see this tiny thing. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay. Let's just see, because the IO sensor was right here. So I'm gonna see what is gonna happen, because this is not an HD source, so let's see.
Turning your TV off. This may take a minute.
I
Please
just
wait.
want to see what it'll do. Actually, turn it off.
With your TV turned off, press fast forward on your... Turning your TV back on. This may take a minute. Please wait.
This is just an experiment to see if it's using IO or if it's using HDMI CEC. And it's using IO because I haven't faced it directly at the TV. Well, let's do it then. Let's see what this does. Alright, so that muted it. This. Okay. I don't use this on inputs. However, it takes a minute, but as you can see, now it controls the TV itself. So yeah, that's just a little experiment I wanted to do, see if it uses IO or HDMI CEC, and apparently it's using IO emitter in this, because if it was HDMI CEC, then this wouldn't work. But yeah, that was just a little experiment to see what it would do. So yeah, I'll see you all next time. So bye.